Good morning, children. Today, let us discuss some more problems related to areas related to circles chapter. Today, let us begin the session with an example. The example reads, a bicycle wheel makes 5,000 revolutions in moving 11 kilometers. Find the circumference of the wheel and radius of the wheel. Okay. Now let us properly understand this question and analyze. Okay. See here, children, there is a bicycle wheel that makes 5,000 revolutions and moves 11 kilometers. Okay. And we have to find the circumference of the wheel and radius of the wheel. See, let r be the radius of the wheel, then the circumference of the wheel will be 2 pi r. We have seen that this 2 pi r is the distance covered by the wheel in one revolution. Therefore, children, 2 pi r is equal to 1 revolution and 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r means 1 revolution and 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, let us look at the diagram here. Let AB be the distance 11 kilometer, and in 11 kilometer it makes 5,000 revolutions. Okay, and this is the wheel that moves from A to B, where the distance AB is 11 kilometer. But how to find the circumference of the wheel and radius of the wheel? Let us see. Okay, the distance covered in one revolution is 2 pi r. So the distance covered in 5,000 revolution is equal to 11 kilometer. Okay, see the diagram. AB is 11 kilometer, and in moving 11 kilometer the wheel makes 5,000 revolutions. That is why 5,000 revolutions is equal to 11 kilometer. So 11 kilometer is equal to 11,000 meters, and 11,000 meters is equal to 11 lakh centimeter. Okay, here this 5,000 revolutions I can put it as 1 revolution into 5,000. Okay, 1 revolution into 5,000 is equal to 11 lakh centimeter. If this into 5,000 comes this side, it becomes 11 lakh centimeter upon 5,000, and here the 3 zeros will get cancelled, and after the simplification I have 220 centimeter. But 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi r, where 2 pi r is the circumference of the wheel. So circumference of the wheel is equal to 220 centimeter. Hence we found the circumference of the wheel as 220 centimeter. Okay, but how to find the radius of the wheel? See here, we know that 2 pi r is equal to 220 centimeter. To find the radius of the wheel, let me substitute the values. 2 into 5 means 22 by 7, radius is r, is equal to 220. So this into 22 by 7 is transposed, this side becomes 7 by 22, and this 2 means 2 by 1. When this 2 by 1 comes, this side becomes 1 by 2. When we cancel, that time 11 2s are and 11 20s are, then 2 1s are, 2 10s are. Okay, then here 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So children, 5 7s are 35 centimeter. Therefore the radius of the wheel is 35 centimeter. Hence in this problem we found that the bicycle wheel, which makes 5,000 revolution in moving 11 kilometer, has the circumference, okay, equal to 220 centimeter and the radius as 35 centimeter. Okay. Let us see one more example, children. A wheel of a cart is making 4 revolutions per second. If the diameter of the wheel be 84 centimeter, find the speed of the wheel in centimeter per second. Okay. Let us properly understand and analyze this question. Let us consider one wheel of the cart. Okay. This cart makes 4 revolutions in 1 second. Okay. And the diameter of the wheel is 84 centimeter. And we need to find the speed of the wheel in centimeter per second. Okay. Yes. Let children small r be the radius of the wheel of a cart, and it is given that diameter of the cart is 84 centimeter and radius of the cart wheel will be 84 upon 2 is equal to 42 centimeter. Okay. But let us analyze this properly. In 1 second it makes 4 revolutions. Okay. Now let us find the distance covered by the wheel in 1 revolution. So 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi r centimeter. So it is 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 is equal to 264 centimeter. Therefore children, in 1 revolution the wheel moves 264 centimeter. Okay. So 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi r, and that is equal to distance covered by the wheel in 1 revolution. Okay. But wheel makes 4 revolutions in 1 second. Therefore, let us find out the distance covered by the wheel in 4 revolutions. Okay. So distance covered by the wheel in 4 revolutions is 2 pi r into 4. Okay. That is 1 revolution into 4 revolution. Distance covered in 1 revolution into 4 gives us the distance covered by the wheel in 4 revolutions. Distance covered in 1 revolution is 264 centimeter. So into 4 is equal to 1056 centimeter. Therefore children, in 4 revolutions the wheel covers 1056 centimeter. Okay. Now let us understand the meaning of speed. Okay. Speed means the distance covered in 1 second. Okay. The distance covered in 1 second is called speed. Therefore, speed of the wheel is equal to what? 1056 centimeter in 1 second, because the wheel makes 4 revolutions in 1 second. Therefore, in 1 second the distance travelled by the wheel is 1056 centimeter. Therefore, in 1 second the distance travelled by the wheel is 1056 centimeter. So speed of the wheel is equal to 1056 centimeter per second, or speed of the wheel is equal to 1056 centimeter per second, right? If this s is brought up, it becomes s raised to minus 1. So the speed can also be written as 1056 centimeter per second. Here minus implies per. So 1056 centimeter per second. Is it clear? This is how we found the speed. Let us see its diagrammatic representation. Here children, the initial position of the wheel is A and its final position is B. Now you see, when the wheel moves from A to B, it completes 1 revolution. That time the distance travelled is 2 pi r. It is equal to 264 centimeter. The second revolution is from B to C. Distance travelled is 2 pi r and distance travelled is 264 centimeter. The third revolution is C to D. Therefore, distance is 2 pi r and distance traveled is 264 centimeter, and its fourth revolution is d to b and is equal to the circumference of the wheel, which is 2 pi r, but this 2 pi r is equal to 264 centimeter. Therefore, a to b, b to c, c to d, d to a. When it moves from a to b, it will have completed 4 revolutions, and in each revolution distance traveled is 264 centimeter. Thus, in 4 revolution it is 1056 centimeter. But in moving 1056 centimeter, the time taken is 1 second. Therefore, in 1 second the distance traveled by the wheel is 1056 centimeter, and the number of revolutions made are 4 revolutions. Is it clear? Okay, this is how we became able to find the speed of the wheel in centimeter per second, which is 1056 centimeter per second. Okay. Yes, let us see one more very important example. The question reads, find the area of a ring shaped region enclosed between two concentric circles of radii 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay. When we understand and analyze the question, see here children, they have given two concentric circles. What do we mean by concentric circles? Here there are two circles with radius OB and with radius OA. Both the circles have same center, but they have different radii. Okay. See here children, the circle with radius OB is having the center O, and the circle with radius OA also has the center O, but their radii are different. So I take OA is equal to capital R, that is 4 centimeter, and OB is equal to small r, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So here these are the two concentric circles with same center and different radii. Okay. The question asked is find the area of a ringed shaped region enclosed between the two concentric circles. See here, this is the ring shaped region. Okay, it is enclosed between two concentric circles. Okay, so I need to find the area of this region which is enclosed between the two concentric circles. Okay, but how to find out? See, first to find out the area of the circle with the radius OA and minus the area of the circle with radius OB, right? Then we will find out the area of a ring shaped region enclosed between the two concentric circles with radius OB and with radius OA. Okay, see here, area of a ring shaped region enclosed between two concentric circles is equal to phi capital R square minus phi small r square. Here phi is common, therefore phi comes out. Inside remains r square minus r square. Though, so it is phi into bracket r square minus r square. Let me put phi as it is. Here r square minus r square is of the identity a square minus b square. Therefore, it is a plus b into a minus b. That is capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r. We have applied the identity. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Let us substitute the values. 5 is 22 by 7. 20 plus 10 into 20 minus 10. Because capital R is 20, small r is 10. Therefore, 20 plus 10. This capital R minus r is 20 minus 10. Okay. 20 plus 10 is 30. 20 minus 10 is 10. Therefore, children, 22 into 30 into 10 makes 6600 upon 7 centimeters square. This is also the correct answer in rational number form. If you want, you can convert this into decimal expansion form. Then it becomes 942.85 centimeters square. Okay. If this 0.85 is rounded up to the second dp, means second decimal place, it becomes 9. So area of the shaded region, okay, area of this shaded region becomes 942.9 centimeter square approximately. Okay. So children, you learnt this problem, how to solve it. Okay. So thank you very much, children, for watching and learning the today's problems that have been discussed in this session. Hi children, hope you have understood the problems what we have discussed today. In this chapter, I request you to memorize all the formulas related to the different concepts. Okay. In this chapter, we learned how to find out the area of the circle, circumference of the circle, and then area of the minor segment and area of the major segment, and area of the minor sector and area of major sector, and also how to find the area of the combination of different plane shapes. And after that, we tried our level best to solve the problems of exercise 12.1, 12.2 and 12.3. Okay, but I request you to go to other reference books and solve the remaining problems. So children, today I would like to put an end to this chapter, and from tomorrow we will study the new chapter. Okay, till then, goodbye.